Ben Archer, been here 7 years now. Yeah, started greenkeeping here 15 years ago, then moved to Kedleston, course next door, and then came back here as course manager 2019. So we're a 12-hole course. It used to be 9 holes, and then about 15 years ago they built 3 new holes, 3 additional holes, 2 on USGA spec greens and then 1 just cut out on the lakeside. 12 holes, it's a great alternative format to the traditional 18. A lot of members and visitors purely just do 12 because it's a quicker, fast-paced format of a game that we all love. So yeah, first time I really dealt with SISIS was when I was at Kedleston Park. We'd got a rotor rake, scarifier that they'd had for donkeys, good solid piece of equipment. We had the twin play brush, similar again, solid, simple design. So yeah, quality British engineering. The quality's there to last the machine's lifetime, so I think that speaks volumes as to why sort of go down the Dennis SISIS route, because the quality's there in the machinery. So the longevity is the main thing. So yeah, we're doing spring maintenance. So we're putting on a ton of Mansfield's MM35 per green. We're going to run through the Pro Core through it and work it in with the twin play SISIS brush, worked into the profile. That's going to be followed by the Versatility running straight fescue into the greens. It's a good, solid, simple piece of equipment really. There's not a lot to go wrong with it. You just calibrate it, and you can then set any lads on to jump on it and carry on. So yeah, the simplicity of the machine is what's good about it. And when you shut off, you're only spreading where you need to spread. There's no wasting spreading into your aprons and into the rough. So that's a good feature of it, that it shuts off when you want it to, and you can just be a bit more precise with your applications. We've figured out when you're around on tight corners and save it turning round, you can then back up with the spreader going. You can then reverse backwards spreading, so it just saves a bit of turning, which saves a bit of scrubbing up on the grass, and it just speeds the job up. So yeah, we've been running it on the New Holland, but we have ran it on a smaller tractor before. And they say if you haven't got the lift capacity, we have got the towable fitting for it, so you can tow the spreader, so you can still get the same application out but with a smaller tractor. So yeah, it just minimises the amount of compaction and weight that you have to take on the green. So it's just a very versatile top dresser. You can put anything on the front of it and it will still perform. Before we bought the Powaspred, we were having to top dress by hand, which yeah, when we're looking at 15 to 20 tonne going out this week, spreading that by hand is a long, laborious task. So utilising the Powaspred means that you get a quicker, more consistent spread, because at the end of the day you want the sand to be spread as evenly as possible, which by hand you're not guaranteed because everyone's got a different throw. So it just gives you that uniformity, which then should hopefully get the sand in to the profile better and more even really. So yes, I'd recommend it to other people that are looking at a top dresser with the versatility, and it's budget friendly as well. I would say that it's yeah, the simplicity of it. We've ran it for 6 years, 7 years, never had any issues with it due to its simplicity. Bearings are sealed, so stop any ingress. So just the ongoing maintenance is just keep it greased and yeah, just keep it dry and look after it.